While surfing the internet again, I came across a very strange but beautiful Linux distribution. This distribution, Athena OS, blends the best of Arch Linux and Nix into a pentesting distro that's lightweight, modular, and customizable, with deep pentesting integrations and modern dev workflows. A strong contender for anyone wanting a refined, flexible hacking environment beyond the default options. This menu that opens, when I press Ctrl+space, it's very good and functional. I can access every program very easily. Since I am not a pentester, I cannot explain to you what the tools in it do or how effective they are. But all I know is that there are a lot of tools loaded. Even though I'm in a virtual machine, I can say that it opens and closes very quickly. But will it always be like this? I don't know. That is a program that they have prepared to customize the operating system. Here we can change many things, from changing the desktop environment, theme, colors, wallpaper, and even the lock screen. This distribution allows us to download a lot of desktop environments, but we can download and install any desktop environment we want in all distributions. But it is still better to do this with Tweak tool with one click. And not only that, there are shortcuts to solve some problems. There is even a section called Pacman settings. We can add the BlackArch repo, the Garuda Linux repo there, and customize the distro for the game. When we look at the add-ons, there is such an indicator. Here you can see the temperature of our computer, the wattage used, the fan speed, the RAM usage, and CPU usage. But I don't know if it will work or not, because I was in a virtual machine and it didn't work for me. When we look at the settings, they are standard GNOME settings, nothing much different. But I really like the wallpapers that came with it, and I even downloaded some of them to use on my main computer. Finally, considering how much it ties the system, 2% CPU's usage and 2 GB's RAM usage are very good values in my opinion. And considering the desktop environment GNOME, I think it is very good. And finally, I liked the distribution and used it for one day. It was working quite stable even though I used it in a virtual machine. But how long will it stay stable? I don't know. But it's very good in terms of use and looks very nice visually. And that's it. Thank you for watching. To support me, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and send this video to your Linux sexual friends. See you in the upcoming videos.